Shemai, Rachel's Rambles, number 34. And I'm going to ask the question, do you play concert-size ukulele? I'll explain in a minute why I'm asking that question. Okay, so yeah, always enjoy a little rambles, and this one is really coming up. Well, we are in summer of 2026. We've just come out of an extremely hot couple of days heat wave here in the UK. And it means I'm actually running a little bit behind with videos and things, so apologies. So yeah, what has been happening? Well, obviously we're coming up for the main part of the Ukulele Festival season. Ukulele Wales project has had a few summer jams already. They started off in Caerphilly. I didn't make that one, but we had a cracking day down in Barry Island. And unfortunately, the Porthcawl one has been postponed. That was because of rain, not hot weather. So 12th of September, if you fancy going along to the Wales Ukulele Project, final summer jam in Porthcawl. About a month ago, I got to go to South Italy with Aniki in the ukulele. I was playing bass with them. We went to Monoplolele, which hosts the Monoplolele Ukulele Festival, Mediterranean Ukulele Festival. It was a fantastic time. Brilliant weather, lovely town, some fantastic performances. We got to play, we led one of the big late night jams, which was just an incredible experience. And we're about a week away from our first big ukulele festival for the summer that I'm going to anyway. But before that, I've got this little question. Originally, I was going to do this as a big video and sort of come to conclusions and things. And I thought, well, actually, hang on. Let's find out a little bit more information first before I jump to my own conclusions. So if you can answer these questions below in the comments, I think it might open up an interesting discussion. It could prove me totally wrong. Okay, so the first question is, would you consider the concert size ukulele your main go-to size? Okay, next question. Do you find it harder to buy or find concert size ukuleles to buy? You know, is it that you're constantly seeing something you like and it's only available in a tenor or a baritone or even soprano? So next question, are you finding there are less concert size models generally, or are you finding maybe that you're looking at a particular price range and you're finding less concert size ukuleles available? So maybe you're looking to buy a ukulele plus £500 or plus £1,000. Are you struggling in those sort of price ranges to find your perfect ukulele, or at least have a choice? Well, I answer all of those questions with a yes. I play concert-size ukulele. I own a couple of tenor-size ukuleles, like everybody else. Oh, I must move on to tenor. I own a Flight Fireball. I love that ukulele. It's a beautiful ukulele to play. It's lovely to look at. But if I'm playing that for an hour, 2, 3 hours, I'm struggling. My hands are tired because I know a concert-size ukulele is better suited for me. When I first started, I didn't struggle finding concert-size ukuleles. There are plenty of cheaper models of concert-size ukuleles available, okay? 100, 200, maybe even £300. There's loads of concert sizes in that price range. But over the years, as I've moved up, I have found it harder. I've owned some nice ukuleles. I've had this ukulele, I don't know, maybe 6, 7, even 8 years. It has had a good play-in. It's a bit battered now, okay? So I'm looking to possibly upgrade this one. This one was round about, I think, maybe about the £350 mark, solid acacia. This is another concert ukulele that I own. Again, price range, this one is I remember getting it a lot cheaper than it should have been. It's certainly round about the 350, maybe even cheaper mark than that. But yeah, you don't find as many ukuleles once you start going up in the price range. This was one of my very, very first ukuleles, a Camise ukulele, £34 on Amazon. I'm reckoning almost 10 years ago now, okay? It's aged really quite nicely, okay? But yeah, £34 10 years ago, and I still love this concert size ukulele. And I treated myself a little while ago to this Uma Pulse fan fretted ukulele. This is my low G uke. So I've always got an excuse for it. This was used. I can't remember how much these sell for at the minute, but again, it's certainly under the 450, 500 price range. So I've been looking for a few years now, either to move up a little bit, maybe something between £600 and £1,000. And I'm sure one day I will splash out and get myself £1,000+ concert size ukulele. But this is where I struggle to answer all of my questions, because I can't find, or at least I can't find a decent choice of instruments to look for concert size in the more expensive price ranges. As I said, I was originally planning on doing this great big huge video about concert size ukuleles. I have spoken to people about this. I've spoken to shops, dealers, I've spoken to brands. I've actually spoken to some of the bosses of brands about this as well. And I generally always get the same answer, which is basically the market dictates what they make. And I do totally understand it. It's all about selling things at the end of the day. But my answer is generally, if you're not making them, people can't buy them. Now, maybe that's just me being very naive and not quite understanding how markets and things work. But I also speak to other people, whether it's in ukulele events, whether it's pupils, and they often say they struggle to find concert size ukuleles as well. So please, if you can answer, let me just go through them again. These questions: do you play concert ukulele? Do you find it harder to buy a concert sized ukulele? Do you find there are less models generally available for concerts, or indeed at different price ranges? And are you looking to buy more expensive concert ukuleles, maybe 500+ or even over £1,000? I just think this would be a really interesting discussion to have. And then if I get more feedback, it means I can pass that on as well. And I do know some of the brands watch some of these videos and maybe they'll see your comments. It could be I am totally wrong on this, and there aren't loads of people out there looking to buy concert size ukuleles. And maybe it's just me, but I would genuinely like to know what you guys think about this. So a few days after you guys are seeing this, it's the Pembrokeshire Ukulele Ukulele Festival, organised by the Wales Ukulele Project. That's starting 3rd of July, Friday, keeping everything crossed that A, it's not raining, and B, it's not 40 degrees again. Anyway, so the Ukumaniacs are playing in that. We are supporting the main headline act, which is Ukulele Trio. I saw these guys playing in Monoplolele. They were absolutely brilliant. And I think I'm doing a workshop on the Sunday, a bass workshop. And I think me and Emma may try and do something for the open mic on the Friday. So yeah, I cannot wait to get away for the first weekend for the Pembrokeshire Ukulele. The 17th of July, the following Friday, me and Emma are going up to Hoylake, just outside Liverpool, for the Summer Strum Ukulele Festival. I genuinely am so excited about it. I went for the first time last year and it was absolutely brilliant. After Summer Strum, it is Shrookfest, 31st of July. Brilliant weekend just outside Shrewsbury. I think this is my 4th or maybe my 5th Shrookfest now. I love this festival, I genuinely do. Ukumaniacs, we are playing on the main stage Saturday lunchtime. I'm doing a workshop, a bass workshop there for the first time this year, Saturday at some point. I think maybe me and Emma might try and do an open mic as well, but I can't wait for Shriekfest. Again though, fingers crossed for the weather. And yeah, any of these events, if you see me, please do come and say hello. And then the middle of August, I think it's the 14th, 15th and 16th, in Cheltenham is the Ukulele Festival of Great Britain. That looks like an incredible lineup for that. And again, we're hoping it's going to be nice weather because there's a lot of sitting around outside and things. But yeah, really looking forward to catching up with lots and lots of old friends at the Ukulele Festival of Great Britain. And just to round everything off quite nicely, some exciting news. Friends of mine recently contacted me asking if I could advertise their upcoming brand new ukulele festival. It's called a Ukulele Shindig. And I said, yeah, give me some details, not a problem. Phil Dolman's playing in it. It's in Hereford. And now Cowin Lush. It's going to be our first proper performance. We did do an open mic a couple of weeks ago recently in a local pub up by here, but I was cheeky and I said, well, would you like Cowin Lush to come and do their world premiere? And in fairness, they both said, Mike and Jane, thank you guys, they both said yes, of course. So the date is Tuesday, the 25th of August. You've got Phil Dolman headlining. You've got Cowin Lush playing something. Workshops going on. I think there's play-along sessions and things as well. And it's the Homer Parish Church Centre. Okay, I'll put details on the screen too. So yeah, very much looking forward to that. There, we've got a few other local gigs and things around the place as well. And who knows, maybe I'll just turn up somewhere as well. So what I want you guys to do now is if you play a concert-size ukulele, go and leave a comment and give me a bit more info regarding those questions. And hopefully I'll see lots of you over the summer. So there's my little summer rambles for you. I do hope you enjoy them. If you'd like to support me here on the channel, I have got a Patreon site. I will pop a link in the description below for that. As always though, if you've any comments or questions, please feel free, leave them below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.